Hey travelers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Hemant Bhatt. So आज जो मैं कार रिव्यू करने जा रहा हूँ that is the Audi A4. I've got its upgraded version also, that is the Audi A6. Today it's time for Audi A4. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Let's open its engine bay. Here we go. Yeah, this is the engine of the car. Here you get the Audi logo and TDI. It is a turbocharged engine which produces power of 4000 rpm and torque of 2500 rpm. It is a 4-cylinder engine with 4 valves. Let's close its hood. There it is. Let's talk about its front side. Get the Audi logo and a silver chromed grille. On the left side you get the LED headlights which are with xenon and parking sensors and headlight washers. Here are given the LED fog lights, and this is the left profile of the car. Some chrome treatment is also given on this side. This is the car's tires and size is 255 by 55 R16. Audi A4's badging, Audi's logo and 35 TDI. TDI means turbocharged direct injection, and here you get dual exhaust. Let's open its boot. Its boot is not much bigger. Its size is 480 liters, means its capacity is 480 liters. And here you get a spare tire. That's all, not much in this boot. Let's close it. This is a manual boot. In Audi A6 we get a button to close the boot. Here you get LED backlights. This is the left profile of the car. चलते हैं इसके tan interiors में. This car is also having tan interiors like the Audi A6 has. You don't get much things. Here you get the seam stand slider, lock unlock. Here you get the piano finish and a handle, grab handle, magazine holder. Space is not much. Legroom is not quite good. This is the center console of the car. You get 2 AC vents. Nothing much to talk here. Here you get a charger also. On the right side also same piano finish, leather finish. Button to open the door and window. Sound is placed here. These are its seats, brown matte combination. And here you get 2 LED lights. Like this we have to operate this button. There's not much to talk about this rear of an Audi A4, but it's good. For the rear passenger the seats are good. Headrest is also good. All quite good functions are given in this car. So let's hop on into its driver's side. Let's go. Yeah, let's turn on this vehicle. This key goes like this. Yeah. So here we are. There's not much to talk about here. Here you get the LED screen, parking lights. There's a small dashboard given. यहाँ पे इसका gear knob, automatic gearbox, parking, reverse, neutral, drive and sports. यहाँ पे 2 कप होल्डर दिए गए और यहाँ पे आर्म रेस्ट के नीचे एक छोटा चार्जर मिल जाता है 12 वोल्ट्स का. Nothing much here. Here is media control, and here you get speedometer and RPM meter, and on is also multifunctional. Here you get for the volume of the car, and this is to control the LED given and placed here. There's not much about this. This cabin is also quite compact, not much space on offer. Here you get a mirror with light also. And the co-passenger also you get it. Here is the airbag placed. Here also are the airbags placed. Here you get 1, 2, 3 and 4 AC vents placed. And this car is also having a sunroof. Let's turn on this sunroof. Like this it is. Let's open it. sunroof is not much big. A small child can just stand here. Let's close it. Sunroof right now. There it goes. Let's close it. This is the review of this car.
Hey guys, this was my full detailed review of this Audi A4. This is an Audi A4 2014 model. This car is available at Autofin Solution. I'll put all its detail in the description. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And more content is coming, so please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Lucy.